Our first design this month is going to be this Rhinestone Christmas tree, and we're going to be using a different background colour to what we have done on this display tip. So we're going to be using Sugar Pebble 4, we're going to use these rhinestones, and we're going to be using our gel pen, glue pen and our rubber base. So we're just going to pop out some of these rhinestones into the lid of each of our pots, ready to apply down onto our nail. And we're also going to select out a paper snowflake from in our paper embellishments to include into the design as well as a star at the top of the tree. So I'm just going to pop all of these into the lids, and then we are going to come back and complete our design. So we're going to be using this pebble number 4 colour today, and it's a nice thick gel, so you only need to do one coat, and it's quite efficient to be able to have one coat coverage with this gel because of the thickness that it is. And there's a few colours that are really good for background designs for a Christmas, as in the sense of like it'd be just as a wallpaper, sparkly kind of background. I really like this colour particular, so that's why I decided to do this one on the video instead of the one that was displayed. You can do any colour background that you want. I just would like you to obviously make sure that you are using the products that are required, but you can use any background that you choose to pick for our Sugared Pebble for this set design. However, we do need you to follow the tutorials the best that you can in order to receive your certificate. So coming with the brush part of our gem pen, we are going to create a sort of point. So it's the top of a Christmas tree into the middle section of our nail, coming all the way down to the end of the tip, and we are going to start off using a larger rhinestone at the top of the tree, so we know what our starting point is and where our star will sit on top after. So we're going to start picking up these gems, and we're going to start with a quite large green gem at the very top, and then we're just going to arrange these gems as we come down the nail, keeping the shape of the triangle and filling out any negative spaces with lots of different size gems. There is no order to where you have to put these. You can do whatever you feel is best. However, I have tried to obviously keep them all in a little bit of a design factor to keep in the shape that's needed of the tree. So I'm going to let you guys sit and follow and watch this, and then at the end I will come back with the next step. we're just going to add our final one down here on the bottom. Now we are going to place our paper embellishment at the top of our tree, and we are going to secure this using a rubber base coat to make sure that that little embellishment is nice and protected underneath the surface of our nail. It's not going to peel off, it's not going to rise anywhere, it's also going to help those gems stay into place. So again, we're just going to seal this design with a rubber base coat going all the way around when you're happy after curing. So here we're just going to apply it over the top section of our nail. I am going to do a little bit of a circle to float it to make sure that it's nice and flat and encapsulated afterwards. And we are going to elevate our tip. So we will turn our tip upside down so that the rubber base does pull to the centre of our nail. And then when we are happy with that, we're going to pop into the lamp and cure again. And we are going to finish that design by using our tampering top coat as always. And that is our nice and simple easy design for our first video. The next video will go up a little bit again in difficulty, because we always start easy and add to our designs by pushing ourselves as we go throughout the month. In order for you to receive your certificate for this unit, you must mark your units as done and post evidence of that unit being marked done along with your nail design. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. This is a concept design, so feel free to place your rhinestones as and where you wish. And that is it.